So you never know that I'll hear about it. Eh? The girl now, the girl that you have been sleeping with for the past month. What? That I am lying? You know I don't tell lies that easily. Eh? My friend said they saw you now. They saw you at the park. Bringing her flowers. You never bring me flowers before. Please, I beg. Please don't say that I'm lying. Because you know that I am not lying. Now I want to know what is her name. And where is she from. I'm going to beat her. Ha! So you love me. You don't love me now. You don't love me. My friend, please, I beg. Please, I beg, let me see you now. Huh? You better come to my place and let me show you something, idiot. I will deal with you. I will deal with you and that idiot, stupid girl that you call that your friend. I will deal with you. Nonsense. What is this? What do you take me for, eh? So you think that I am stupid? You can tell me for some foolish girl. You can just use like that. Please, I beg, I will deal with you. I will deal with both of you. Please, I beg, get off my phone now. Chini.